for the broken hearted, the silent grave for the faith departed. I ain't gonna be just a face in the